Hello and welcome to Unboxing with Esther. Debenhams were doing a sale, so I decided to buy two boots that I could wear to work. I wanted something that was flat and comfortable as well. This boot is the Casper Gold Clip High Leg Boots from Dorothy Perkins. This has an elasticated back, zip on the side and a gold clip detail, which I love as it makes the boot stand out. It's made out of synthetic leather. So I have tried the boots out. I wore the boots just yesterday and they were really comfortable and kept my feet really warm. I also bought the tie back flat over the knees boots in a UK size 6 from MissPap. This boot is made out of a suede material. It has a zip on the side and strings on the back so you can tie it once you put the boot on. I haven't yet worn it out, but it felt comfortable when I tried it on. I've noticed that this boot covers the knees a bit more than the Dorothy Perkins boots. The overall design of the boots is flattering and I really love the fitting of it. I'm glad that I bought both of them. They're stylish, comfortable, and most importantly, they keep my feet warm. This brings us to the end of the video. Thank you for watching. If you're enjoying this type of content, please give it a thumbs up and also do subscribe to my channel so I can keep making more of these kind of videos. Thank you.